Hello guys, welcome back to MetaMoon. This week I have a little bit of a different kind of video for you all. I recently moved into a magical fairy forest of a property. For a while now, my partner and I have been wanting to live in a more communal type home situation. We wanted to just be around more like-minded individuals in our home space, especially this year with working from home a lot and the possibility of going back into quarantine. That was something that we really valued. So life, in its truly magical way, brought us exactly that, in this magical space, tucked away, secluded in a forest, but right outside of LA, 5 minutes from the beach, living with some magical people. So today I thought I might give you a little tour of the new home. Right now we are sitting in the greenhouse, which is essentially my office space, so let's start here. So this space is where I have my desk. I've been recording podcasts here, shooting YouTube videos in here, TikToks in here. It's quiet up here. It's a little bit farther away from the rest of the property so I can work undisturbed. I do my coaching calls in here. It gets a lot of natural light because of all the windows, but it's super cozy and it's a great space for me to work. There's artwork everywhere. I have my little vision board collection. These are all pieces that I've made that represent different things for me and my brand. So I have this little setup to inspire me here. And then over here we have the snakes. There's 2 snakes in here, guys. These snakes belong to my roommate Brianna. And they're so cool and they're so sweet. Little cuties. So that's my little greenhouse office. So from here at the greenhouse, up this way there's some stairs that go all the way up to a bunch of hiking trails. All of this behind us is a state park, Will Rogers State Park, so there's no other houses behind us that way. That's the main house behind me, which we'll get to. Got this hammock, some storage, and then this is the cabin where my roommate Isa lives. And then we'll walk down this way. And this is kind of our main central outdoor hang spot. We have this amazing day bed out here under this tree, and a little table, and another little table. And then over here is the teepee. And then here we have outdoor shower, bath, right under the tree house, overlooking the river. We have a roomie coming to take a shower. This is a mirror. And then this is, all this bedding is normally in here, but we got this cool little spot. So normally all the bedding's in here, and it makes a cozy little guest bed, hangout spot overlooking the river. And these trees back here are actually eucalyptus trees. They're my favorite trees on this whole property. There's some crazy trees here. And then down this way is actually where Brianna lives. She lives down in this little bell tent down here. That's her little area. This is her whole zone down here, and this is sweet Luna. Hi, baby. Luna is half wolf, and she's magical. This is where one of the girls I live with, Reese, makes all kinds of amazing medicines and herbs and oils. So much healing goodness that she creates in here with so much love. That's her sitar. Magic. So down here is the bus that our friend traveled in for a long time, and he parked it here. It's still a little undecided what's going to be happening with this bus, but I'll show it to you. It's pretty epic. So here's the kitchen, little couch area, there's a sink and a stove, so cute, refrigerator, and then we have toilet on the side, shower, full shower in here, and the bed. Nice view of nature outside, the TV, I mean, epic. So that's the bus. Let's go back up. Here the chickens. Hey babies. And now let's show you the house. This is actually the entrance to me and my partner Stefano's room. So this is the bedroom. This is where Steph works. This is his little studio station where he makes music and photography and design and all the beautiful things that he does. And then this is my second desk, so I primarily have been working in the greenhouse, but this is where I can come in and work inside if I want to work in here. Our bedroom, bookshelves, little altar space. We have some crazy cool lights in here too, so I'll definitely give you guys the nighttime tour so you can see what it all looks like at night. This whole property becomes totally different. And the living room space, piano, kitchen, always delicious foods. Everybody here is an amazing cook. Now we have Zia working in the corner. And the attic. This is the attic space where my roommate Kylie lives, and the rooftop for doing yoga. Every single nook of this whole space has so much attention to detail and love and care. It's just full of all these little magical nooks. And then back here we have a bathroom and another bedroom, but instead we'll go out this way to the front. And then we have this side of the house. Little sunny couch, some chairs, and let's go in the garage. This is the garage slash studio, so we can shoot and create and make things in here. There's a lot of artists in this house, so there's a lot of art stuff in this house. Gonna jump in the ocean real quick.
Jump in.
Back home, it's nighttime. I'm still wet from the ocean. We're back in the greenhouse, my office. Just wanted to show you guys how it looks with all these cool colored lights, and I'll show you the inside too. There's the bedroom from the outside. Looking dope! So that concludes the tour of the home. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you liked this and want more of these more traditional type YouTube videos, and if there's a specific type of video you want to see, let me know in the comments. I'm gonna go jump in the hot shower because I still am freezing cold from the ocean. Alright. Peace and blessings.
Singing in the sunlight, dancing in the moonlight, having a wonderful time.